because I've got a lot more experience using the TI-84 or Excel for these things more than I have for StatCrunch, I'm going to use Excel for this example. Again, we're dealing with a sample because they have 40-month-old children, 10 of them male and 10 of them female. They have their length in centimeters when they're lying down. That's what recumbent means. And we're supposed to find the standard deviation for a sample, either as if this was a sample of 20 kids versus after that, the 10 males as a sample of male kids that age, and then the females, the standard deviation of recumbent length for a sample of 10 females, 40 months of age. All right. So the reason I'm using Excel is what I could do is copy that data over. I'm not sure if you can do that on StatCrunch. So now from rows 2 to 21, it's going to be 20 scores, as I showed in the previous video. For sample, stdev.s. And then we're telling it, put the equal sign in front of it. We're telling it in the parentheses what row we're in and the, what column, then what row, colon, column and row again. And let's see where they want us to round to. Two decimal places, the hundredths place. That's going to round up to 6.08. Then they want for the males first. After that, now I'm going to try something out here. Let's undo that. We had standard deviation of 6.08. I wonder what would happen if I would select all of that. Probably not going to work, but it's worth a shot. Select all those rows in both column A and column B. Okay, it does work. 6.08. Terrific. All right, individually. For the males, probably still going to the hundredths. And then you can click on the first column. If you're hovering over the lower right, you can continue the clicking and drag right, and it fills it in with the same formula for the new column. So if they are still going to the hundredths, 5.55 for the males and 5.61 rounded up for the females. And they do want it to the same place. Notice on both this example and what's in the previous video, if I'd been wrong about this being a sample, we'd get different answers for population standard deviation. So what's the effect of blocking? Both the 5.55 and the 5.61 are smaller than the 6.08 than when we combine them.